Wow, how incredible! I've been trading for over 5 years and I can't believe how this simple strategy is so reliably and consistently effective in trading. I found a couple of indicators for a strategy with a win rate close to 95%. I just tested it and in a 10-minute session it can increase any amount by more than 10,000%. Stay tuned to see how it was done, and at the end, as a bonus, I'll tell you about a step-by-step and safe plan on how to earn up to $500 every day in trading. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel. There you'll find my best strategies which have earned me over $1.5 million in the past year. Almost 11,000 subscribers are earning an average of over 400,000 daily just by copying my trades. The link to the channel is in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. And we are recording! Hi, it's Evelyn. Today I want to test a new strategy. I'm a bit nervous about whether everything will work out, so I'll start with a small amount of $50. But I'm a professional trader with a win rate of 88.9%, so everything should go well. Let's see if it works. Then it could be the most profitable and simplest strategy I've used in 2023. So let's get our pocket option platform all set up. The very one that turned me into a millionaire. We've got 3 basic steps to ensure that we are ready for the session. Step 1. Candle time frame. We're going with 30 seconds here, and the trade time is 1 minute. Step 2. Today's currency pairs are Australian dollar and US dollar, Australian and New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Australian and Canadian dollar. Remember, for bigger profits, always trade on pairs with high profit percentages. Step 3, the most crucial step, setting up the indicators. My strategy today involves 2 super rare indicators, the envelopes and bear's power indicators. I'll go into details about them later on. Okay, we are all set for trading. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Let's dive right in and see if this super profitable strategy actually works. Let's start with the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. So, what have we got here? We are seeing a clear downtrend, a bounce from the low is definitely over, and the bears are taking over. This is a clear continuation of the downtrend. We're going lower. Waiting, and yes, $96. What a great start! But let's not get ahead of ourselves. On to the next. The Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Here, with the help of our envelopes indicator, we understand that the price is likely heading downwards. The bear's power indicator also shows a downward direction. So, we're going to bet on a downward move. Click lower. Watching. And correct! Awesome! We're now at $184. Alrighty. The Aussie and the Kiwi. Here we can clearly see downward movement from our nearest high, and we should follow it. The indicators just confirm our chart analysis, going lower. Yes! Wow, we are at $353 now. We made the right call, and the indicators confirmed it. Let's take a moment and learn about them. The envelopes indicator plots 2 lines around the price chart, creating an envelope around the price. Changes in their width indicate entry or exit points. Plus, when the price crosses the envelope's upper or lower line, it signals a possible trend change. The bear's power indicator measures the market's selling strength. Bear's power values rise when the minimum price gets closer to the average value, which can indicate a weakening trend. So, in today's session, these 2 indicators have been giving us great signals about entry points and trend directions. Let's keep making money! Let's see what's happening with the Aussie dollar pair. Here, the price decrease continues. The bears are having their way again. Our lovely tradition continues. Plus, both of our indicators point to a price drop. So, let's press lower. Now we just have to wait. And beautiful! We are up $678. All thanks to our accurate market analysis. I actively chat with other professional traders. We even have a private millionaires chat where we discuss new global economic trends and market analysis. Many of them also have YouTube channels. Let me know in the comments who your favorite YouTube traders are. Let's see if any of them are my buddies. Looking at the first pair. Wow, I just love these coincidences. The market has completely shifted to sideways movement, which, by the way, is commonly called a consolidation. But you can see a support level is forming, and on our time frame, it would make sense to bet on an upward move. So we're going higher on this one. And oh man, how lovely! Price has returned to that zone. The market's at a standstill and price is hovering in a range. Let's keep trading. Let's see what's up with the Australian dollar and Swiss franc pair. Oh, okay. Our indicators are signaling an uptrend, but the price keeps falling. The market is behaving quite unpredictable. Never risk your money, even if you haven't made a signal mistake in the session so far. Always keep a cool head. That's the first rule I'll teach you in my Telegram channel. We will skip this pair. The Aussie against the Kiwi dollar. How incredible! It's like a gift from the market. All pairs seem to be dropping. The indicators are clearly pointing towards a downward move, so let's follow the trend. Boom! And thanks to correctly identifying the trend, we've just added another $1,301 to our balance. I'm freaking out. This is a strategy with a 100% win rate. On to more trading. Alright, the fourth pair. The indicators are yet again predicting the future brilliantly. The bear's influence continues. On every currency pair, they're taking over. No wonder we choose these indicators. Going lower. Waiting. And that's right. Isn't that awesome? The strategy is working incredibly well. We are up another $1,920. If you are looking for the most profitable strategies for independent trading, check out my video where I break down my strategy that's already earned me over $55,000. Click here or follow the link in the description. Let's see how our first pair is doing. Okay, we're definitely going long here. There is a clear upward trend signaled by both of our indicators, and we're following it. Going higher. And yes, smooth sailing. Just added another 1,920 coins to our account. This one calls for a short position. Envelopes are giving us a very clear signal again, pointing towards the continuation of a bearish trend, with the price still looking to drop in this range. Going down. Let's push a little more. Just a little more. Yes, our strategy makes analysis look like child's play. Just added another $1,920 to our account. The Aussie and New Zealand dollar. Alright, let's be extra careful here. Looks like there is low volatility in the market, plus both our indicators are suggesting a pause in the downward trend. I'm thinking prices will probably hover mid-range, maybe even tick up a little. So, yeah, we're going higher on this one. We just bagged another $1,920. I'm so pumped about this strategy. I've got to make a separate video on it. It's absolutely bulletproof. Let's keep our eyes on this and see how it plays out some more. On to our fourth pair. Check this out. Right from the nearest low, we're seeing a clear trend reversal. It's definitely heading upwards, and both of our indicators are also pointing the same direction. This isn't a surprise at all, thanks to our strategy. We're heading higher again. And boom! Just like that. Fantastic, amazing, incredible. What a result! In just 10 minutes, our initial deposit increased by more than 100 times, turning $50 into an unbelievable $5,902 in just 10 minutes. This is one of the most profitable and simplest strategies, perfect even for those who are just starting their trading journey. Friends, as I promised to share with you the most straightforward and reliable way to earn up to $500 a day, it's super simple. Really, all you need to do is join my Telegram channel. Here's the deal. Almost 11,000 subscribers are already making a combined total of more than $400,000 every day just by following my trading tips, and the community is growing fast. I'm committed to helping each one of you succeed. That's why I'm going to guide you through using Pocket Option. I'll show you which buttons to hit, how to navigate the platform, everything. And I'll do it step by step, for free. You'll be up to spend in just a couple of days, and before you know it, you'll start seeing that money come in. My subscribers simply copy the trades I take and strategies I use. And guess what? My win rate is an incredible 88.9%. That's right, nearly 9 out of 10 trades are profitable. If you're still unsure, just take a look at the testimonials from people who are already making money with my advice. Join us and let's start this journey together.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis.
She's basically changing my financial situations.
Thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
Trading under my guidance is not as hard as it might seem. Just take my trades and start making at least $500 a day. All you need to do is join my Telegram channel and simply send me a message. Click on the first link in the description or the pinned comment under the video. Let's make your first million together. Big hugs to all and see you in my cozy Telegram.